G'day guys, this is Carl at AllBrand Caravan. So I'll give you a few suggestions in relation to what we do here in relation to awnings. So what we do currently with this one, I'm just setting up an anti-flap kit and curved roof rafters. And that involves setting up the brackets for it and drilling holes into the awning barrel. As you can see here, I'm pretty much nearly done, but I'll just go through how we set up an anti-flap kit and curved roof rafters. So this is your anti-flaps right here. So these pretty much pin on the side of the awning. Sometimes you'll need a ladder to make things a lot more easier. So that's one side of the anti-flaps done. Then you put these curved roof rafters in, which are currently installed. And these help pull the water off the roof basically. So without these, you'll have a big bubble of water sinking in the awning, and basically will just tear your awning once it starts raining. These help divide the amount of water that's on top, and it allows it to channel and flow off nice and evenly. Like so. So basically that's the full setup of the anti-flap kit, curved roof rafters. After that, you can end up fitting an NX, which will involve side walls, front and rear basically. And that will basically set up a little area for you that protects you from the outside of mosquitoes, water and everything like that. So that's basically the first setup. Apart from that, there's a lot of accessories that we fit in relation to awnings. Currently we remove and replace the hardware for you, or the awning itself, the barrel, the vinyl, and basically nearly any accessory to do with the awning, we can pretty much repair it for you guys. So if you have any suggestions or any comments, just leave them in the comments below or give us a call when you're free. All right, thanks. Bye.